Mastering the Integrated Reasoning section of GMAT. Hello everyone. Today we'll be diving deep into the Integrated Reasoning section of the GMAT exam. This particular section is unique and challenges your analytical skills in a different way compared to other sections. So, how can you best prepare and maximize your score in this area? Let's explore some key strategies. And always remember, practice and understanding are the keys to success. In the Integrated Reasoning section, you'll face 4 types of questions. 1. Graphics interpretation. You'll be given a graph or a chart and be asked to interpret it. Your job is to understand and pull relevant information from the visual data presented. 2. Table analysis. This presents a table of data, similar to a spreadsheet. You can sort the table based on different columns to identify and analyze patterns or important details. 3. Multi-source reasoning. Here, you'll be given data from multiple sources. This might be a combination of text, tables, and charts. You'll have to synthesize the information from these varied sources to answer the questions. 4. Two-part analysis. This is a problem-solving section where you have to find solutions that meet 2 conditions simultaneously. Your first strategy should be to get familiar with these 4 types. Understand the nuances of each and practice answering questions in each format. The Integrated Reasoning section gives you 30 minutes to answer 12 questions. Time can be your best friend or your biggest enemy on this test. Here are some points to manage your time effectively. Set mini deadlines. Allot specific times for each type of question. For instance, decide that you'll spend only X minutes on graphics interpretation, Y minutes on table analysis, and so forth. Don't get stuck. If a particular question seems too challenging, don't spend too much time on it. Remember, all questions are weighted equally. Move on and come back if time allows. Practice. Like everything else, managing your time effectively comes with practice. The more you practice, the more you'll get a feel for how long each question type should take you. The GMAT provides an on-screen calculator for the Integrated Reasoning section. While it's a handy tool, remember these tips. Don't over-rely on it. The calculator is there to assist you, not do all the work. Ensure you understand the concepts and use the calculator only when necessary. Get familiar with its functions. Before the test, practice with a similar calculator to be comfortable with its basic and advanced functions. Speed is crucial. Remember, every second counts. Be quick with your calculations and double-check if you have the time. Preparing for the Integrated Reasoning section is about understanding its unique demands, managing your time effectively, and practicing regularly. While it might seem challenging at first, with the right strategies in place, you'll be well on your way to conquering this section. I hope these strategies help, and remember, every bit of preparation gets you one step closer to your dream GMAT score. Best of luck!